Spicy Productions.
I'm loving this nature. Aren't you? Have you ever been on a nature walk like this? Hi, I'm Bob Dunright, founder of Happy Trails Nature Walks. And here, we get it done right. Right? Here at Happy Trails, we'll take you anywhere you want to go. Jungle, forest, tundra, even the top of an active volcano. Look at this here hot lava. At 1,200 degrees centigrade, this stuff is hot.
Dangerous. Nature. Hear that? Listen. That's nature calling your name.
Happy Trails Nature Walks is not responsible for any of these side effects: acne, AIDS, albinism, autism, black plague, chickenpox, cerebral palsy, diabetes, ear infection, or erectile dysfunction. Don't delay. Call today.